that I was born here.
I'm from the GIM 2005 batch.
I remember my grandmother was admitted here.
All the doctors, nurses used to visit our hotel Kadadicha.
Today we have gathered here responding to the clarion call given by Mr. Armando Gonsalves, the head of the Goa Forgiving Trust. Now, this call was very important to me personally because of this building in the rear that you see. Today it may be popularly known as the old GIM, but actually it is Santa Casa de Misericordia building. It was a hospital. It was a school also. Before the medical school got shifted here in Panjim in 1842, it was housed here, and it was also the hospital. After the Royal Hospital in Old Goa, which was the capital of the Portuguese, it was shifted here. So it's a beautiful building, and Goa Forgiving has taken this cause of this building, which was lying in a dilapidated condition. It is historically of great value. The first medical school, the second hospital in Goa, and it's a beautiful, you can see the architecture, there's beautiful architecture, and you can also see the nomenclature. The Santa Casa Misericordia, which was housed here. It was a charitable institution. Santa means saint. Casa is house in Portuguese. So you can see that, and you can see the distinct style of architecture, where you have this brackets, you have the pediment, you have the frieze, cornice, and the balusters. I appeal to the government to take up this cause, spruce up this building, let it be a functional building, let it be a cultural center where people come, hold programs and all. Then only once it is put to adaptive reuse, then only the building will remain, otherwise it will fall.
It's an amazing time that we are spending here this morning. Actually seeing the grandeur and the beauty of this fantastic building, which is the original Goa Medical College. My wife Shine and I saw this building in a neglected state. I won't say it's dilapidated, it's neglected. It was full of shrubbery, and you might have possibly have seen the video which shows a whole fast forward of how we have done that. And thanks to GIM, the students of GIM and even the executive of GIM who got involved, because the GIM name is there, and then the people from the medical college, lots of people standing here have been born in this particular building as well. I implore the government of Goa to use this for the correct purpose, get people involved. Do not sit down and on a high horse and expect things to happen. Involve the civil society.
Okay, I am Arturo D'Souza. I'm from Santa Cruz, and I feel proud that I was born here in Ribandar, in this particular hospital, and so therefore it's a very touching moment for me. This is a heritage structure. It must remain as a heritage structure. It must remain the way it was started. I have heard that the present government wants to bring in the Ayush ministry here. Now Ayush is something that it's a new concept, but the old building must be preserved in its original structure, in its original manner. As Prajal sir has just mentioned, that it has to be something related to Misericordia. Misericordia is nothing but charity of mercy, and the mercy should start in this heritage building only and only.
Hi, so I'm from the GIM 2005 batch, and I've come join this movement today. We have so many memories attached to the institute, to building. Every time you pass by, you just think of times that you've spent in college. And I wish the government would probably come together and do something to reinstate the facade and to put this building to good use.
It's a very good job that Goa Forgiving has taken up this cleaning up of this old building. It's not just the Goa Institute of Management, but for a lot of people over here in Goa, it has a lot of memories, and it has a sentimental feeling. We cannot allow it to just degrade like this, the manner in which it has been. So with Goa Forgiving having taken it up, I hope it opens the eyes of many others, and many others join in and take this forward.
Hi, I'm Dalpana. I'm an architect and an avid photographer too. And every time I have always taken a lot of photos of this building. So I was very pleasantly and happily excited when Armando put up a post saying that this building has been cleaned up and there's a lot of possibilities that we can do something about it. It's heritage, and it's our heritage. And I think we should preserve it, conserve it, maintain it, and collectively do something together so that we can celebrate the heritage of Goa.
Hi, my name is Sandeep and I am part of BeLive, and we are proud to be associated with this cause. We believe that Nanjing is a heritage city and the heritage should be preserved. There should be efforts taken to maintain buildings like these which have a slice of history in them.
हांव आदर्श तोरसकर हे जे हांगा जे इंस्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट आहा फूल लायक झाडां लागलेली तेजेर लायक झाडां आयिल्ली तेजेर आनी तेजी इमेज एकदम स्पॉयल जाल्ली सो इमिडिएटली आर्मान बाबान म्हाका कॉल केलो सर फेसबुकार घातलें आनी ही कॉल्ड मी लायक आदर्श समथींग वी कॅन डू हियर एंड देन वी फावंड वन गूड कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर एंड विथीन 48 hours तेणें फूल एरिया क्लीन केली नाव इट इज लुकींग व्हेरी ब्युटिफूल सो आमकां एक मोग आसा एक गोंयचो म्हणून आमी करता आनी हांव अशेंच मागता जे यूथ सुद्दां आसा तेंच्यांनी एक फुडें येवचें आनी एक स्मॉल थिंग्स जे आसा तेंच्यांनी लायक आपले हातभार घालचे थँक्यू
Now the people from all over the coastal areas, no, from all the villages around Maharashtra and Karnataka, Karwar, people used to visit over here. And all the doctors, nurses used to visit our hotel Kazadicha for the tea and breakfast. We used to stay our grand uncle now was operating the hospital first, Pandurang Naik. So he was starting the hotel at nearly 4:30 in the morning, and doctors used to come for the tea, breakfast. So since the hospital was started, our hotel was also there along with the hospital. It's functioning.